Hi, Roy Williams with Airframe Components, and today we have an update on our new building project. This is a 30,000 square foot Butler steel building constructed by Leatherman Construction. We've always used Butler steel buildings in our different building projects. We've always used Leatherman Construction, been very happy, so this is the latest edition. This project was started in the fall of 2018. Now here we are, July of 2019. We just finished the last pour for the floor yesterday. It's been a flurry of activity here with different crews coming and going, getting the steel erected, getting the concrete down. Something we wanted to do in this particular building project, we put in-floor heating with hot water heat. We're going with LED lighting, of course, different ventilation systems. So in the interest of better quality end products, we wanted to make sure that our facilities here for rebuilding were top-notch as well. We simply have 30,000 square foot building broken down into 3 sections. We have a wing rebuilding area, a control service rebuilding area, a incoming receiving area. We will also include parts storage in this building as well, but again, we wanted to keep you up to date on the building process. We hope to be in by Christmas of 2019. We know this will be a long process of getting all the systems in place, but I think the end product will be very well worth the effort. Stay tuned for future updates on this building project.